Ciao a tutti, abbiamo oggi qua in Italia Andy Lees. Andy Lees lavora da molti anni in Microsoft, ma ora è Senior Vice President della divisione Mobile and Communication Business a Redmond, e quindi colgo l'occasione per fargli qualche domanda su un tema caldo come quello della mobility. I switch to English. Hi Andy, welcome in Italy.
Hi.
And first question, you took this role in Redmond 2 years ago, and how is going?
Well, you know, the mobile industry is in a huge, great point of change, and everything's moving over towards smartphones. We changed our product strategy just a little while after I joined, and we've been working very busily on a whole new range of phones that are going to be coming out at the end of this year. So we've been in this stage where we're working quietly and hard back in Redmond developing new products, and we're just about to bring them to market. So it's a very, very exciting time, and that makes it really good to be in Italy because Italy has such a big phone market. We have lots of opportunity.
Okay, you touched the point. I think that we can say that Windows Phone 7 is approaching the market. Which are the 3 key features that you love about Windows Phone 7? Tell me about your experience with the Windows Phone 7.
Great. Well, I'm actually using it as my everyday phone. So the thing that's really different about Windows Phone 7 is you'll immediately notice that the whole user interface is really fun and easy to use. I mean, it's whether you're using it for business or using it for personal use, whether you're playing games or listening to music, or whether you're doing your email or presentations and things like that, you can see all of that on the phone. So the first thing is it has a smart design, and the second thing is it has the core things you need built into the phone. So whilst we expect lots of applications, you don't have to have applications for everything. So for example, the way in which the phone works is if you use Facebook and Windows Live, you don't have to go into the Facebook app and then the Windows Live app. So the problem with most smartphones today, you have to go application to application to application. Whereas with the Windows Phone 7, everything's just built in, and it really makes sense, and it's much easier to use across all of those things. And then the third thing is, of course, we will still have apps, and so having lots of different hardware and lots of applications available is also an important part of our success.
Another question. We recently presented Kin. Kin, what does it mean?
Well, kin is slang in English for meaning my friends and my close family. It's sort of it's a name like clan or club, only it's a slang name, and because the phone is specifically designed for people who are very heavy users of social networks. That's why it's called Kin, because it's all about keeping in touch with your friends and close family.
Great. And how does Kin fit in our mobile strategy?
Well, Kin, in many respects, they're cheaper phones, and because it's specifically designed for social networking users, it really is the first time that we've designed a product especially for just young, socially connected users. So people who use Facebook a lot, use Windows Live a lot. And so for many people, as they move from feature phones towards smartphones, the first one they'll ever get will be a Kin phone. And then Windows Phone 7 is designed to be sort of the ultimate smartphone. So yes, you can do social networking, but you can do Xbox gaming, you can do your work things, you have more applications available to you. So it's sort of a two-step thing. Step one is just for social networking and really focused in particularly at young people. And then Windows Phone is a much broader thing that would appeal to people like Microsoft employees.
You said also application. This is a key word. During Mix, I saw Gilbert Fiore show the word about Windows Phone 7 application, amazing applications for our new platform. How do you think the developer community is working on our platform? What do you expect from the developer community to present new applications for Windows 7 platform?
Yeah. Well, one of the things that we did is that we made sure that as we moved over to Windows Phone 7, that we really enabled developers to produce very, very rich applications and games in a way that you've never been able to do on a mobile phone before. So we actually take the development tools of Visual Studio and Silverlight and .NET, and even XNA, which is the tools that you use for developing games on Xbox, and we put them all in the phone. And what this enables developers to do is to write new types of applications, but very, very quickly. And so we're expecting to have fun games and fun applications, but also things that you would typically only have historically seen on Xbox also available. It is very important, we're at the beginning because it's a new platform, so it's very important that DPE in Italy really go out and evangelize developers to get them onto the platform. We have a marketplace that's going to help end users find different applications and buy them and use them. So we think we have a good proposition for them. So I think we'll have lots of choice, but it will start off slowly and ramp quickly, but that's the DPE team is going to help us ramp very, very quickly indeed.
Okay, thank you. Grazie, Andy.
Great, thank you very much.